Alright, today we'll be showing you how to fix the black screen issue, and here to demonstrate we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and as we said, the issue is the black screen issue where the screen is black. You'll turn on the device. Sometimes you'll get the notification LED up here and you'll see the menu buttons light up but nothing else on screen. So if you're having this issue, as you're seeing here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna power off the device. Now to power off the device, you won't be able to use the regular power button. So what you're gonna do is to actually just turn over the device, remove the back cover, and once you remove the back cover, you're gonna actually just yank the battery, which will power off the device. Alright. Also, if you have a micro SD card inside, I recommend that you remove it just in case. Once it's out, you're gonna actually hold the power button and you're gonna press it for a minute or two, and what's gonna do is gonna drain the residual energy inside of the device. Right, so after 1 or 2 minutes you are going to release the power button. Right, you're just gonna put this down for a minute or up to 10 minutes. Then all the residual energy will drain, after which you can reassemble the phone. Alright, you're just gonna power it back on the device. And where you're getting the black screen, it should just power right up and work just as normal. If this fails the first time, I advise that you do it again and leave out the battery for a longer period. It should fix the issue as you're seeing.